welcome back to AllysiuTV. For today, I'm going to vlog our Bali trip. So, I'm coming back with my family together with Mark. So, Marley travels din siya. So, yes! Sayang, di namin kasama si Pierre. Say hi, baby! On our way, already boarded. Oh my gosh, guys. Pinage yung names namin isa-isa. As in, relax pa kami. Like, Kelly Rogers pa kami. Kumain pa kami. Tapos biglang isa-isa na kami. Touchdown, Bali! So, 11 p.m. kami nag-land. Tapos, 2 hours sa immigration. Sobrang lala. Ang daming tao. Sobrang haba ng pila. So, ngayon, mag-1 a.m. na. Actually, past 1 na nga eh. Mag-2 na. So, right now, nag-aantay na lang kami ng sundo namin. So, meron kaming parang mini bus or coaster kasi nga, 9 kami sa group. So, yeah! I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning! So, breakfast time! So, here is our third wheel. Okay, so this is the pool area. Look at my sister. Woo! Ang ganda, forest vibe. Kakatapos lang namin mag-swim and mag-picture-picture. It's so nice here! We're all set. We're on our way to Wanagiri.
Hoy, tama na yan! Balik na, hoy! Balik na!
Look at the locals! Ang cute nila! Sarap ng weather dito para kami nasa Baguio. Selfie! Now in Ulundano Temple. Photo shoot ongoing. Oh my God! Nagsigawan lang. Grabe! Miss na namin si Pierre. Nakahanap kami isang baby dito. Super cute. You have blue eyes! You're so cute!
Hello!
Hi, baby! Our day 2, we're on our way to the edge. Anyway, short kwento. Pagka-uwi namin last night after dinner, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi we were so busy. Sineset up namin yung Game of Thrones kasi nga it's season 8, episode 3. So, oh my gosh! Comment what you think below kasi grabe. Ang lala talaga. As in, parang naiiyak. Nagwawala kami, nagsisigaw kami. Medyo malala. She was clueless kasi kasama siya dun sa 1% na hindi nanonood. We're here in the edge! Golf cart! Hi, Daddy!
Hello, my dear. Are you happy?
Yes!
Oh, that's nice.
Pagkakasabi niya.
Show your food. What's your food?
Duck with sambal.
2 thigh parts. So he's so happy. Okay, so we're done swimming here in the edge. Nagpa-pack up na kami kasi meron pa kaming pupuntahang temple. So napansin namin, ayun o, biodegradable. Nanghingi kaming plastic for our mga swimsuit. Ito yung binigay nila. Parang, ano ba to? Describe.
Cassava starch.
Oh! We are now in the Uluwatu temple. Pag naka-long ka na damit, meron lang orange na ganito. Pero kapag naka-shorts ka or skirt, eto, meron kayong parang pangtakip. Kilay is life. Ay! We are waiting for the fire dance show. Ang cool, meron pa silang binigay na explanation for the fire dance. Holding hands with my baby. Good morning, guys! So, we are now in Seminyak. Lumipat kami na Airbnb. So, let me just tour you quickly. Kasi sobrang ganda. Saya talaga. Gusto ko lang tumira dito forever. Good morning! Good morning! So, our breakfast, sardines, cheese, egg, fruits. Yeah. Mommy, what can you say sa villa natin? Hi, Daddy. Are you relaxed?
Yeah.
Afternoon happenings. Someone's dancing. May mga nagluluto. And may mga nagsuswimming. Ay, meron pa palang isa pa. Wait, hulihin natin. Yung fiancé nung kapatid ko, nagpapaputok pa ng muscle. Ay. Show me your workout! Oh! Grabe, ang bilis ah! Meron kaming dalawang butler. So, ayan, they are helping with the household chores. So, naglilinis sila. Pinabili namin sila ng mga parang lulutuin na food. Tapos, pati money changer, yon. Parang sila yung tagalabas namin, tagalinis and stuff. So, ayun, at least super convenient, most especially kapag big family kayo. Let's go! Work it! Energy! More! Oh! Ay! Oh, Artie! Kukulutin ko lang yung hair ko mamaya kasi wala lang. Pinapatuyo ko pa siya ngayon. So right now, magla-late lunch lang kami. Let's go, Daddy! Yes, let's go! Teamwork! We are now in La Plancha! Hey!
La cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha-cha.
Ketchup, 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 ketchup.
Nag-enjoy ka sa show kagabi, Daddy.
Taka-taka.
Good morning, guys! So, after La Plancha last night, bumalik lang kami sa villa or Airbnb and then nag-inuman lang kami doon. As in, shot namin yung mga black label. Nag-category game lang kami with our parents. So, ayun, super fun. Si Mommy, ang dami na inom. So, anyway, today, this is our last day. So, magko-konting tour lang and then flight na namin tonight. So, yes. So, now, nagbe-breakfast lang ako. Ito yung masarap na cup noodles dito. This one. It's so yummy. Ang sarap niya, guys. If ever napupunta kayo in Indonesia or Bali, try this one. It's good. For our last day, hindi na kami pupunta sa mga tourist destinations kasi sobrang init. So, mag-souvenir shop na lang kami para sa mga pasalubong. And then, just gonna chill. Look, ang daming rattan bags. Daming random stuff dito. May mga pagkain, may mga pampasalubong, and meron ding mga clothes. So, it's been a week since our Bali trip. Ngayon pala ako mag-outro. Hindi ko pa siya na-edit. So, anyway, I just resigned! So, mag-vlog na lang ako ng ibang video for that. So, anyway, I think I have more time for vlogging now. Kasi nga, I'll focus on business and stuff like that. And vlogging. So, ayun. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this Bali video. And I promise, magkakaroon na ako ng videos every week. Tutuloy-tuloy na natin to. So, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!